Thank you, Madam Speaker, and I thank the Honourable Member for his question with respect to the status of the Lakena Land Subdivision in Nausori. Madam Speaker, this was established in 1980, and it's actually quite a general question. As a former valuer, you should know how massive the Lakena subdivision is. It's approximately 669 hectares, Madam Speaker, and of that 669 hectares, 733 lots were allocated. So my answer is going to be pretty general, Madam Speaker, and I hope that suffices. Let me enlighten the Honourable Member and the rest of the House and the general public, Madam Speaker. With respect to the Lakena subdivision, it comprises of several kinds of leases. There are 168 leases which are agriculture leases. There are 55 leases which are industrial leases. There are 367 leases which are residential leases, 5 commercial leases, and 3 educational leases, Madam Speaker, 3 religious leases, 8 for special use, and 3 subsistence leases. Today, Madam Speaker, the Ministry actually continues one of its core roles, which is the maintenance of existing subdivisions. And the purpose of this particular maintenance project is to upgrade and improve the infrastructure and public utilities and amenities in existing subdivisions on state lands, and then transfer the responsibilities for future maintenance to the relevant agencies and authorities. Maintaining these subdivisions also ensures that the roads are designed and constructed and aligned to Fiji Roads Authority standards. In addition, Madam Speaker, the maintenance work includes upgrading of access roads, water supply, sewerage, etc., construction of drains and footpaths, vehicular crossings, etc., and also erection of gabion walls to arrest soil erosion and landslides, cleaning and clearing of blocked drains to avoid flooding, etc. On average, Madam Speaker, maintenance of about 6 state divisions or state subdivisions Fiji are implemented annually, and we do have a budgetary provision for that particular item. I hope that suffices.